How do I even finish all this in
याद ही
time?
नहीं रहते।
These notes are so long.
क्यू बैंक में इतने क्वेश्चंस हैं।
मेडिसिन के वीडियोस खत्म ही नहीं होते यार।
Bowel is seen outside. Angry looking bowel seen outside.
In addition to all these electrodes, you have two reference electrodes.
Measuring this nuchal translucency. Nuchal translucency is basically this area.
By 2 in bracket, but you will subtract 6.5 centimeter from this one.
Base of tongue and epiglottis.
Placenta, we are focusing upon the embryo here. The embryo is basically like a disc right now.
So they are perfect square. That's what you have to remember.
The chin is touching the phlegm. That is your Waters view.
Craniotabes, which is the earliest sign, which is also known as the ping pong skull.
Clet agar, which is commonly used for the urine culture, and why we try to use it.